Welcome, young explorers, to a fascinating journey through the human body. Today we're going to learn about our incredible body parts and how they help us every day. Let us commence our exploration with the head. Can you spell head? H-E-A-D, head. The head is the uppermost part of the body, housing the brain, which is the control center for the entire body. It weighs about 3 pounds and is made up of billions of nerve cells that communicate through electrical and chemical signals. The skull, made up of 22 bones, protects the brain from injury. The face, located on the front of the head, contains features like the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears, which play essential roles in our senses and expressions. Next, let's move to the eyes. Can you spell eyes? E-Y-E-S, eyes. Eyes are complex organs that allow us to see the world around us. They contain structures like the cornea, pupil, iris, lens, and retina, each with its function in the process of vision. The eyes can perceive colors, shapes, and movements thanks to the work of the retina, which converts light into electrical signals sent to the brain for processing. Muscles around the eyes allow them to move in different directions, while tears keep them moist and clean. Moving on to the ears. Can you spell ears? E-A-R-S, ears. Ears are responsible for hearing and balance. They consist of 3 parts: the outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Sound waves are collected by the outer ear and travel through the ear canal to the eardrum in the middle ear, causing it to vibrate. These vibrations are converted into electrical signals sent to the brain. The inner ear also contains the vestibular system, which helps maintain balance and spatial orientation. Now, let's focus on the nose. Can you spell nose? N-O-S-E, nose. The nose is not just the organ of smell, it also plays a crucial role in breathing. It contains specialized cells that can detect thousands of different smells. The nose also acts as a filter, trapping dust, pollen, and other particles from the air we breathe. Inside the nose, the nasal cavity is lined with mucous membranes that humidify and warm the air before it reaches the lungs. Next, we turn our attention to the mouth. Can you spell mouth? M-O-U-T-H, mouth. The mouth is the first part of the digestive system, where the process of digestion begins. It contains the teeth, tongue, and salivary glands, which work together to break down food into smaller pieces. Saliva produced by the salivary glands contains enzymes that start the digestion of carbohydrates. The mouth is also essential for speech and communication. Let's move on to the teeth. Can you spell teeth? T-E-E-T-H, teeth? Teeth are hard, mineralized structures that are essential for chewing food. They are anchored in the jawbone and come in different shapes and sizes, each adapted to its specific function. Teeth are made up of 3 layers: enamel, dentin, and pulp. Enamel, the outermost layer, is the hardest substance in the body and protects the tooth from decay and damage. Now, let's talk about the tongue. Can you spell tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. The tongue is a muscular organ covered in taste buds that help us taste different flavors. It also plays a crucial role in speech, as it helps us form sounds and words. The tongue is flexible and can move in various directions, allowing us to manipulate food while chewing and swallowing. Moving down to the neck. Can you spell neck? N-E-C-K, neck? The neck connects the head to the body and contains important structures like the esophagus, trachea, thyroid gland, and lymph nodes. The esophagus carries food from the mouth to the stomach, while the trachea carries air to the lungs. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism, energy levels, and growth. Next, let's explore the arms. Can you spell arms? A-R-M-S, arms. Arms consist of the upper arm, forearm, and hand, each with its bones, muscles, and joints. The shoulder joint allows for a wide range of motion, while the elbow joint allows for bending and straightening the arm. The hand contains 27 bones, along with muscles, ligaments, and tendons that allow for precise movements and grip. Now, let's look at the hands. Can you spell hands? H-A-N-D-S, hands. Hands are unique to humans and are essential for many activities. They have opposable thumbs that allow for precision grip and manipulation of objects. The skin on the palms and fingertips is thick and sensitive, providing tactile feedback. Hands also play a crucial role in non-verbal communication, such as gestures and sign language. Moving on to the fingers. Can you spell fingers? F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Fingers are the digits of the hand and are crucial for fine motor skills. Each finger has 3 phalanges bones, except the thumb, which has 2. The fingertips are highly sensitive, thanks to the presence of numerous nerve endings, making them essential for activities like typing, writing, and playing musical instruments. Let's now shift our focus to the stomach. Can you spell stomach? S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ located in the upper abdomen, between the esophagus and the small intestine. It plays a crucial role in digestion, breaking down food into smaller particles and mixing it with digestive juices. The stomach lining contains glands that produce hydrochloric acid and enzymes that help digest proteins. Moving down to the knees. Can you spell knees? K-N-E-E-E-S, knees. Knees are hinge joints that connect the thigh bone femur to the shin bone tibia. They allow for bending and straightening of the leg and are crucial for activities like walking, running, and jumping. The kneecap patella is a small bone that protects the knee joint and improves leverage for leg movements. Next, let's explore the legs. Can you spell leg? L-E-G, leg? Legs are the lower limbs of the body, responsible for supporting the weight of the body and allowing for movement. They consist of the thigh, lower leg, and foot, each with its bones, muscles, and joints. The largest bone in the body, the femur, is located in the thigh, while the lower leg contains the tibia and fibula. The muscles in the legs are powerful and work together to move the body and maintain balance. Finally, we arrive at the feet. Can you spell feet? F-E-E-T, feet. Feet are complex structures that support the weight of the body and allow for walking, running, and jumping. They contain 26 bones each, along with muscles, ligaments, and tendons. The arches of the feet help distribute body weight evenly and absorb shock during activities. The soles of the feet are covered in thick skin, providing protection and grip. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the human body. We hope you've enjoyed learning about our incredible body parts and how they help us every day. This is question time. What is the outermost layer of teeth called? Don't forget to comment your answer below in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content like this. Follow us on social media for updates and behind-the-scenes looks, and visit our website for additional resources.